Xin ciao! Welcome to Dave and Love. So, kumusta na kayo mga ka-chonkoyla? It's been a long time na hindi tayo nagkita. Hindi kami nakapag-vlog dahil sa sobrang busy ng aming schedule. Sobrang busy talaga. I think 1 week kaming hindi nakapag-vlog. I hope you are in a good health. Always wear mask pag lumalabas. Okay, always wash your hands for the safety. So, let's not make our voice loud. If you have noticed, wala si Dave. Dahil ang video na ito ay tungkol sa kanya. Sobrang tagal na nating hindi nakapag-prank. And since matagal-tagal din tayong hindi nakapag-vlog, so ito yung gagawin natin. So, this is the most requested. Kaso, hindi lang namin nagagawa. Kasi, medyo na-busy talaga kami. And I believe that this is the right time to do. Yung request lang kasi nila is i-prank si Dave. So, I am thinking about many things, many pranks na gagawin ko sa kanya. And I'm a bit worried na hindi mag-work sa kanya. This video should be a lemon prank. But since wala tayong lemon kasi hindi tayo nakapag-prepare, so napag-isipan ko na this will be the replacement of lemon. So, it's vinegar. So, wala na akong ibang maisip na ma-asking. So, I'm so excited. At the same time, sana mag-work kasi many times ko na siyang tinry na i-prank. But, lahat ng yun ay hindi naging successful. I hope this one will be. Sobrang tagal kong hinintay na makatulog si Dave para magawa tong prank. As you notice, sobrang gabi na. Okay, time check. So, it's almost 1 a.m. na. So, dapat gawin na talaga natin tong prank na to para makapag-rest na din tayo. Anyways, guys, if you want to suggest or mag-request na aming i-content or i-video, we have 2 ways. First, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and drop a comment or DM us on our official Facebook page. Okay, so if you are excited, let's prank Dave! So, ito yung rason kung bakit busy kami. Chiring! Yes, ito. So, for the better future. Mahirapan tayo. Hindi naka-open yung mouth niya. So, let's wait. So, I'm gonna using a phone. Okay, so, magsiset up muna tayo. So, let's wait na open yung mouth niya. I don't know how to prank you. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. It should be like this. Maybe it should be like this, man.
Basa na po na yung mga iyo.
It should be like this, man. Oh. So, thank you for watching. So, I told you already na many times ko na pinarang si Dave and hindi talaga siya napaprank. Oh, what should I do? What should I do? Ano kayang prank ang mag-work sa kanya? Siguro hindi talaga pwede yung prank na natutulog siya. Dapat yung prank na, oh guys, help me! Help me! PM me! Don't PM on the page kasi mababasa yun ni Dave. I don't know what to do. Wala akong ibang prank na naiisip. Bakit lahat ay palpak? Naku. Thank you for watching!